Hi, I'm Jessie, and this is HumanLab, my final project for CS50. Wearable devices generate a lot of health data, but data alone doesn't change behavior. HumanLab is a personal experimentation platform that combines wearable device data, important user context, and AI insights to allow you to learn what actually improves your health and wellness. This here is the dashboard, which gives a quick human-readable overview. At the top, you'll see an average of your 7-day sleep score, so you can always see how you're trending rather than focusing on a single night. And this is also paired with a qualitative label like Good Sleep Foundations, so users don't have to interpret raw metrics. Next is a breakdown of last night's sleep in case that's helpful. This is extracted directly from the Aura API and stored via SQLAlchemy models, and it gives you detail when you want it without overwhelming the main view. And on the right, this is context. This is a key product decision. Wearables can't see things like the fact you have exams right now, or you're in the middle of a house move or traveling. You can log what's going on in your life, a little bit like a journal. This context will then feed directly into the AI-based insights you receive later down the line. And as an example, I'll add one right now. As we move further, this is again a 7-day sleep trend showing rolling performance over time utilizing chart.js. And the heart of HumanLab itself is experiments. Active experiments, as you can see here, are surfaced directly on the dashboard, so progress is always visible. But if I navigate to the top left here, we can see these in more detail. You can create an experiment by defining a behavior you want to change, a metric you want to impact, and the time window with a number of baseline days. For example, here I'm testing that less sugar should ultimately improve my sleep quality, and taking a melatonin gummy before bed should increase my deep sleep per night. I've set a number of days that I want to test this over, and I can also log my adherence to this each day. Ultimately, all of that will feed into the AI insights you receive. So I'm going to go ahead and select an experiment, let's say the melatonin gummy. Will this actually help me sleep tonight? See, what's happening here is that the AI is being given my experiment details, recent sleep metrics, and the context I just logged on the dashboard. It's being sent to OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model, and it can connect changes in my sleep to things like stress, or in my case, a deadline. So the response is not generic advice. It's grounded in my data and my circumstances, as you can see here. Finally, the profile area handles general user information as well as authentication, wearable connections, and data sync. Currently, the Aura ring is the only one enabled for this MVP, but the point I wanted to emphasize was that this platform really should be device agnostic. So this is what this will illustrate here. Ultimately, HumanLab is a full-stack application with relational data model and an AI interpretation layer designed to show how product thinking, experimentation, and technical architecture can come together. Thank you so much for watching.